Palladium this week against US dollar has risen in value, and we can see after the previous week has closed below with this bullish candle, the price returned back up, reaching 974.95 and then bouncing back down. Then the price bouncing from this demand zone, the support level around 937.50, and then retraces back up with this bullish engulfing candle. Then the price on a Friday formed this bullish candle with a large wick, but the wick could not close above this resistance level. We can see that on the weekly time frame, this is a bullish candle formed here, and it has stopped right here, where usually a small support and resistance levels on the weekly time frame is located. Then on the monthly time frame, we can see that the price has stopped at this support level and it's holding for now, but also the price is bouncing between this support and the resistance level here at 1089.88. Now, based on the monthly time frame, what we can see is that very critical level is this one here. We have 2 more weeks until this month ends, so we'll see how the price behaves around this one. But also very important level for the monthly time frame is this one, 1010.87. On the monthly time frame, we'll see will it hold. If it doesn't hold, this will mean further rise in value, where the next stop will be this next resistance level 1089. Now, the best is to watch the daily time frame because it shows much more clean information. But we can see also a weekly one that the price has formed at this bullish candle, where the price stopped right here at the small resistance level visible. Now, on the daily, it is much more clearly visible that the price is bouncing between these 2 price levels. We can see that, and this is also visible on the monthly time frame. This support is holding still, so it is a very important level for the price, but also this is also a very important level for the price, 1089 and also 937.50. We can see that here 937.50, 1089.88 is very important support and resistance levels. Now, what we can see here, what I'm expecting to see, I'm expecting to see the price going even more up, because we can see usually what's happening here. The price is trying to make a breakout, going even up and down, up and down, up and down, and then finally forming a bullish breakout, going all the way up until the price makes clean breakout to the lower side, and that means below this one, and then below this one. I will put this one here also visible, because this is also the support level. I'm expecting to see the price jumping all the way up and down, up and down. So for now, this is a bullish one attempt to make a breakout to the upper side above. So I'm expecting to see that next week, the price making a breakout. So I'm expecting to see the price reaching this area, which means 1024.21 on the Palladium, which means a bullish momentum for the next week. If this doesn't happen, and this will be cancelled only if the price makes a breakout below this one. So if that happens, I will share that inside the Telegram group with the traders, and then they will be notified where the price will move in the next days. So this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.